Malam, this tomato, how much? This tomato is how much? This one 4.5. This one how much? 4.5. This one 4.5. Then this one. This one plate.
Somebody.
So I decided to go to the market today, and I listened to what my bike said while I was going to the market.
Sir? Okay, you wanted to buy pepper?
They say no 100 naira. I said they give me 200 naira. They won't give me 5.
200.
Pepper when I'm on Nigeria, they do even for your house price. You guys will come on.
On my Ferrari, yeah. So this is me right here, yeah, going to withdraw Chinkoli Naira. yeah. So we are here. This is me. So now this is me at the market. My Ferrari arrived at the market. I was trying to be careful here because of my phone. I don't want it to be snatched from someone because of course I was on the bike.
Your rice, how much is on
2,200, eh? 2,200.
2,200. No one line. I saw you want a 1 line there.
1 line? Yes, no, but no 1 line. For 2,000, never.
No, I asked you how much.
For 2,000.
That's the last price.
2,160.
Hey, man, you're not smiling.
So then I left to
Malam, Senu. Now mudu of beans.
Mudu of beans.
This small one.
Small.
Yes, sir.
2.7.
2.7 for this small one. And the big one, how much? The same price. Yes. 2.7. That's the last price.
Last.
KK.
Last.
How about Malam?
Now 2.8 facing the seat. To you I tell you, I say 2.7. But if you try, what is it?
Wow. Okay, thank you.
I then left and continued working. I was like, now really Nigeria will hail you because waiting with this. Nigeria will hail you now, wella. Guys, see you, see you later. See what? Although
Which is for this pack like this. 1, 2. Wow.
Kind of what you do. Okay, madness.
How much is it?
300 to 500.
This one is 300. And this one is
500.
This one is not 200. This one. Who jara o kasa de jara Malam. Haba mana. Malam. This tomato how much? This tomato is how much?
This one 4.5.
This one how much?
4.5.
This one 4. Then this one. This one, this small plate. Hey. No.
200, 500.
Is that the last price? No. Let me see. The one is for my people, so this is on my Ferrari. Look at this little thing. Guys, tell me what. Share with us the price of goods in your side.
Rich, wash and cup of tea. He went to prison.